time to answer some of your legal questions. And we turn to Fox 26 Senior Legal Analyst Chris Tritico. Hello there, Chris. Welcome. I'm really happy that you're here to help out our viewers. Are you ready to get going?
Absolutely. Good morning.
Okay, let's start with Carol Lee. Carol Lee writes, we sold our house in May of last year and bought a camper to live in. We wanted to live in it for about a year and then buy another house. The camper was brand new and we have had nothing but problems with it. At first, the dealership said there was more wear and tear because we are living in it, but it had only been 4 months. The manager told us that he would order the parts needed to fix the camper. 6 months later, and we have not heard anything. Is there any legal action I can take to get our money back from the lemon they sold us?
Yes, but first, it doesn't fall under what we call the lemon law in Texas, because to meet the requirements of the lemon law, you have to take it back 5 times for the same problem within the first 12 months. And so it doesn't fall under the lemon law, but you can do something. You're going to have to contact the lawyer of your choice to help you with this. But what's happening is you can sue them under what's called the Texas Deceptive Trade Practices Act, or just a breach of warranty case. Either one of those will work. Contact the lawyer of your choice. Take the camper to that lawyer, let them evaluate it, look at it, and see what they can do for you. Good luck.
Okay. Chris, our next one comes in from an anonymous viewer, and this is your question. Is there a statute of limitations to file a protective order from the date of a violent incident? In May of 2020, I noticed a bruise on my daughter's face while she was in her father's care. She is 6 years old and autistic. His wife didn't want me to know where she lived, but I used an app and was able to find the address. I went unannounced and picked up my daughter. I did not report the incident at that time because they had a CPS issue. Later on a pickup, they held my child in the car and the stepmother charged at me. She had people there with guns and shots were fired. I did get my child safely in my car. I filed a police report, but they did not help me with a protective order. What can I do?
Well, your first mistake was not filing a report the first time you noticed injuries to your daughter. I don't care whether they wanted you to know about where they lived or not. Now, there's 2 things you can do. The Harris County District Attorney's Office has a division, a family law division, that helps people with protective orders in getting those filed. Why the police didn't help you, I don't know. But you may want to contact your family law lawyer to see if they can facilitate that through the DA's office, or your family law lawyer can go back to family court and file a petition to modify your custody and a protective order at the same time, and seek something like a supervised visitation and get a protective order in place so that you're not subject to these types of actions again. Take care of yourself and take care of your daughter. Good luck.
Thank you, Chris. Okay, we have one last question for you. This one coming in from Stacy. I purchased a ticket through Just Fly travel agency on Air France in February of last year for a trip to Sierra Leone. The COVID-19 outbreak caused me not to fly. My ticket is supposed to be refunded through Air France and Just Fly. Just Fly is not giving out refunds. They are continuing to say that it will take 48 hours to process, but that has been over a year. What can I do to get my refund?
So the web pages are like Just Fly, or those web pages you're buying discount tickets through, are very hard to get refunds from. I would contact Air France and keep contacting Air France and force them to process this refund. That's actually who you bought the ticket from. Web pages, discount web pages, they just are facilitating the purchase of the ticket. So I would go through Air France and keep contacting them until you get that refund. At the end of the day, you may have to contact the lawyer of your choice to help you with this, but you're dealing with somebody who's not in the United States, makes it a little bit harder. Contact Air France, keep contacting them, find out what's going on. Good luck.
All right, Chris, we always get so many questions for you because you do a great job of helping people. Thank you for that. And we just want to remind you at home, if you want to send us your legal questions, just hop on our website. You can go to fox26houston.com. You can find Chris's segments under the morning news tab. And as always, for specific information and advice, it's always a good idea to contact an attorney of your choice.